There are crocodiles hiding in the bushes. Kind of concerning, but let's see. How's it going, guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Alright, so it's the monsoon, so it's the time to visit another waterfall. So I'm taking you guys to another waterfall today. So the plan is to visit most of the waterfalls around Telangana. So as part of that, we are going to visit Ethipothala Waterfall today. So to visit the waterfall, I need to cross Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, which is quite famous in India. Regardless of careful planning, I keep forgetting about traffic congestion. Though the traffic congestion makes the trip time longer, there is always light of hope at the end of the tunnel. Okay, I need to top up the tank. Okay, I'm just going to calculate the total kilometers and how much petrol, I need to get in this. 1200. After fueling up my motorbike and inspecting the tire pressure, I got back on the road. The road slowly started to open up as I was leaving the urban establishment. I was very much wanting to ride on wide open road rather than city traffic, and that didn't take much long. I had to, quickly stop here because my GoPro battery died. I had to switch the battery and put the one just died onto the charge, drank some water and leaving from here. So it's an ideal day to travel on motorbike because the weather is moderate. It's not too hot or it's not too cold, which is making this ride enjoyable. Everything was perfect. The road, weather and a motorbike which was built to be tough. My motorbike just fell in love with the tarmac as both were moving in harmony, and that helped put more miles behind me. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar, 110 kilometers. So as you all know, I'm not a great fan of driving on top speeds. I always like to travel between 90 and 100 because it's economical and your vehicle will be in your control. You can actually concentrate on road and make quick decisions. Alright, so travel like 87 kilometers so far, and just stopped my bike here to take a breather, and I'm actually looking out for a dhaba or maybe a restaurant so that I can have lunch. And after lunch I'm left with about 88 more kilometers, so getting closer. Did you see that? This bike is a gem when it comes to off-roading. My journey continued as I traveled on rugged and plain roads. At last, I found a hotel and claimed the blessing that God had promised. Okay, I just ordered the chapati here. I was thankful for what I had for lunch and left from there to accomplish rest of my journey. Needless to say that the rumble strips and the speed breakers were constantly warning about potential danger. Alright, so I'm almost close to Nagarjuna Sagar. It is about 14 kilometers from here, and to reach the waterfall it's 26 kilometers. So when I entered into the countryside, I see these fields, and the fragrance just changed in the air. It smell all green. Okay, red butt monkey. The glimpse of a red butt monkey felt like meeting an old pal, which means I was entering into hills. Okay, as you can see the Google Maps, I need to cross this water body. There you go. The first sight of naturally flowing enormous water body and man's efforts to regulate it was mind-blowing. There you go, that's a view for you. I think I'm going to stop after going a bit front and then try to shoot the dam itself. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam was built across Krishna River, inaugurated in 1955 by Jawaharlal Nehru and came into effect in 1967. It stands on the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The dam is 490 feet tall from its deepest foundation and 1.6 kilometers long with 26 floodgates. Finally inside this particular park, where they have actually developed it so that you can walk for some distance and see the waterfall itself. There are I don't know what you call it, but I think it's bungee jump. I don't know, but there's that for children, and there are a couple of them actually. Look at the view. So there are a few staircases there which goes to the waterfall. I'm going to take you guys there in a bit, but let's actually take a look at the waterfall itself from the topmost point. There you go. The Chandravanka river flows based on gravity, which is a tributary of river Krishna, reaches Ethipothala and cascades from a height of 70 feet. It is situated in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. Alright, so I just came out of the park, and as I said, there are these steps to go towards the waterfall, which is flowing right below this hill. I've just talked to a few people here, when I asked them if there is a way to, approach the waterfall. They said there is, but there are crocodiles hiding in the bushes. Kind of concerning, but let's see. There's our old friend, red butt monkey. After walking for a while, I finally reached the river. So the time right now is 5:30 p.m. and it is about to fall dark. I started my return journey back to home. It'll take like 3 more hours for me to reach there. So I was actually expecting to, go much more closer to the river and spend some time there. But unfortunately, because of the barricades and all, they have blocked the way to reach the river itself. I began my journey back to home after absorbing different shades of nature. Thank you for coming along. I hope you liked it. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care.